we are on our way from Phnom Penh to Ho Chi Minh City. We've gone with Giant Ibis again. It was $19. It's about a 6-hour ride.
So we've just arrived in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam, and we decided to book a bit better of a place for Mick's birthday.
26.
She's turning 26, and this place is a lot better than we expected. So it's been a while since we've had a bath. Really good. Could get used to this luxury. So it's just the little things we like about this place. Even gave me shoes. So we've already forgotten about the luxury we had.
It's gone. It's so
It's gone. It's so gone. But as far as the hostel goes, it's actually really good.
It's cute.
We haven't seen the bathrooms or anything yet, but
The people that own it downstairs are like the loveliest, friendliest people ever. They were calling... So Pat's... we booked it under Pat Ward, but obviously his passport is Patrick Ward. So they were very confused. And then they said he should just make his name Password. Or Passport.
yeah, he started calling me Password.
Password.
Password. So apparently with crossing roads in Vietnam, they just said just slowly walk across. Don't try jumping that across and out of the way, because that's when they'll hit you. If you slowly walk, they can see where you are and they won't hit you, hopefully. So we've just bought some pho and Mickey is absolutely wrapped. How good is it, babe? But so good.
What is it, Pat? What size is that?
It's a pint.
A pint?
I read it wrong, it's a pint.
Hi, Matt.
I feel really bloated. with my cider.
Check it.
So pretty.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.
So we've just got to the War Museum. Big tanks and stuff. It's meant to be really full on apparently. All the reviews and stuff about it said it's not for the faint-hearted.
So it's 15,000 dong to get in, so that's under $1. Really good.
There was trap sockies set up everywhere, so guys would walk on top of it and then just fall down to the pits.
Coming very dangerous because it's humid and that easy to get wet and easy for animal coming with poisonous. Big trouble. All right, very good. Woo. Right hands up. Very good like that. Wow. You know tunnel rat? I told you already. When they go down to second level, they kill by themselves. Because the second level, 4 to 6 meters deep, the people, they set up many zigzags down there, they make many traps.
Hey babe,
Where's that?
what do you think of the guns? Not your favourite thing we've done?
No.
It was good. If you really liked guns, it'd be really good. But we both shot an AK-47. Just down the tunnel, you can see how sweaty I am. It's so tight. One bit I had to like literally slide down on my butt because if I went in full crawl, it was like my back was touching the ceiling.
So we just finished the tour of the Choo tunnels. Really, really worth it. We had an awesome tour guide, hilarious. Really, really sweaty right now because the tunnels are so tiny and crazy small and crazy hot in there.
So, set ourselves a mission. We've got to try find a motorbike. We're going to try buy one for around $200 to $300. Pretty much the same as that bad boy there. But we need to get racks put on it as well for our big bike.
Delilah is packed and ready for our first leg. She's quite the large girl, isn't she? This is my little booty spot in here. Don't know how that's going to work.
So I think we might be about to jump on a ferry. With our map.
Ferry?
The river and stop.
Oh.
And then continued on the other side. So hopefully.
Is that what you think? We also just had to pay $20,000 toll to do this.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So you can see how good the view was going to be, but broke my throttle on the way up. So I thought I could fix it, but I can't even get the screws off because it's so rusted. So now I'm just coasting down the hill. But today was good. It said on maps it was going to take 2 hours and 5 minutes. Then we quickly worked out that that meant by car. And a heap of the roads that it was telling us to take, there weren't allowed motorbikes on there. So this is the first step of apparently 800 to get up to a giant Jesus statue up the top.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
So we read in Lonely Planet that the statue of Jesus is bigger than the one in Rio.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Wow. We are on Jesus's arms, outstretched. Here he is. Looking out to the South China Ocean. There's the man. Nice breeze because that was freaking hot
So
and
hot up
hectic. Yeah, so we've just arrived. Thought we'd come for a little bit of a look around and found this beautiful little bay with thousands and thousands of fishing boats, which is awesome.
So we come here for the sunrise. We got up at 4:30 in the morning this morning, and we've been a bit unlucky. Seems to be a lot of cloud. Still worth it. Pretty cool.
Oh.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So we're in Dalat at the moment. We got here yesterday at about 4 o'clock, arrived on old Delilah, and we just sat around and had beers with everyone in the hostel and got a bit carried away. But then this morning we went canyoning all day, and it's probably one of the best things we've done in Vietnam so far. Yeah.